Okay, friends, I'm going to break down 2 more steps for you. So start with the marching rhythm. I'm going to face you to start this one. All right, so what we're going to do to start is just a basic step, up, up, down, down. So you should be on your right foot here to learn this. Right, left, up, up, down, down. If you can do a basic right at this point for you, then you can do a reverse basic. So that's what I'm going to show you. So when you're doing your basic, one foot goes and then the other, toes forward, right? The only difference is that instead of your toes facing forward for those first 2 steps, your heels do. Heel, heel, floor, floor. So what we'll practice is doing a reverse and then a bunch of basics in a row where we're facing front, okay? So make sure you're on your right foot leading, right, left, toes, toes, facing forward with every step. Now reverse basic, heel, heel, toe, 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 toe. So all that changes is your heels face front for those first 2 steps up, okay? 4, 3, 2, reverse basic right. Heel, heel, floor, floor, back to your basic facing forward. All right, here we go. Reverse basic right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts. Again here if you want. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So once you get comfortable with this, anytime you hear the cue of a basic during your step warm-up or workout or warm-up, you can do your reverse basic. Each way is 4 counts. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, so let me do it facing the same direction as you. All right, reverse basic right, try it here. Heel, heel, floor, floor, back to our basic, toes forward. Let's do it again, reverse basic right. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Reverse basic right. Basic facing front. 2 more. 1 more on this side, reverse basic. Basics facing front. All right, so we're still maintaining that walking rhythm. Marching on the floor. So let's switch to our left lead. Starting with the basic left facing front. Up, up, down, down. Seriously, if you can do a basic like this, you can do that reverse basic. It looks definitely more complicated. I think it's more fun, but this is all it is basically. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Try that reverse basic left with me. Heel, heel, floor, floor, basic. So don't overthink what direction you turn, but if you want to know up front, if you're stepping with your left, always turning that way, and vice versa. Heel, heel, floor, floor. It should feel as natural as just walking like this. Reverse basic left. Basic left facing front, okay? Reverse it if you want, face front. Okay, so that should help because think about it, if you're stepping this way to turn, it wouldn't work going the same direction as that lead foot. Okay, hopefully that helped. That's our reverse basic. Remember, same counts. Instead of the toes pointing forward on those first 2 steps up, it's just the heels. All based on that walking rhythm. You can do it.